So here also the same thing. So we have drawn some picture here. So this is called a reflecting surface. Here we see objects. Now see here again, we already studied about the center of curvature and pole, concave mirror, principal axis, incident ray. Which is incident ray? The ray which is coming from the source of light is called incident ray, and the ray which is going far from the reflected ray going back towards the same surface or in the same direction, that is called a reflected ray. So here again you see here angle of incidence is 22, angle of reflection is equal to also 22 in the case of a plane mirror. So incident ray or incident angle, this is called incident ray and this is called incident angle, and this is called a reflected ray and this is called a reflected angle of reflection, right? There is no problem in drawing the figures in the case of plane mirrors. Now you see this is a concave mirror and this is outside is painted. This is concave mirror. If you put like this, the ray, I have put that concave mirror in the bucket. Now I am focusing this light onto the mirror. So in the case of this one is also, in the case of this one, the ray is reflected. So according to the different phases, if you focus this, now observe this is a concave mirror is put like this, and we are taking a bucket and focusing a light ray onto that mirror, and that is also reflected like this. Incident ray and reflected ray we are clearly seeing. Clear? Now see this. In the case of a concave mirror, you observe this is a light ray, this is a light ray, that is called incident ray. This is the red line is drawn parallel to the principal axis. This is principal axis, this is pole, and this is focal point, and this is center of curvature, and this is normal to the surface, and the light ray is passing like this, and it is incidenting on the mirror and getting reflected like this, reflected ray, and angle I is equal to angle R. Sorry, here so small change here, angle I this one, angle R is this one. Now see this is angle I and this is angle R. Angle of incidence and angle of reflection both are same. If you take the measurement here, if you take the angles measurements using a protractor, we measure the angles. The angle I is equal to angle R basing on the normal drawn here. How can we draw the normal here? You observe this figure. Again. If you put the protractor like this, you see this protractor observation clearly. There is a line here, the line which is like this, and we are connecting, or we are placing that like this, and at the point of incidence we are placing it, and clearly you see 90 degrees angle. This is called normal, and angle ఎంత ఉందో ఇక్కడ కూడా angle same ఉంటుంది.